headed up to the foot of the Royal Gorge. Got a convoy rolling deep. Yeah, it's gonna be great.
Yeah, so we just rolled up here, the North Fork of the American, the infamous Royal Gorge, quite possibly the best river in California. I can't believe we made it. Once we started this project, we just saw it's like the highest levels in California, and it's a really big snowpack this year, so I kind of doubted that we'd even make it here, but the fact that it's in today is just a blessing for the river gods. So stoked we made it.